Welcome, Dark Angel Kada here. Today I'll be showing and exposing how dark web scammers buy and sell stolen credit cards on the dark web. Alright, so I'll be showing you the secure browser to use. I'll be showing the different carding website, and the exchange which you can also use to cash out from the cards. How much money does these carders make from carding? These carders, beginners make anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 every day carding. All right, let's jump into this video. The first thing you have to do will be to open your Brave browser. Once you're on your Brave browser, click this option and select New Private Window with Door. Once you're here, wait for this to connect. It won't take long. So once it is connected, you type in cardidol.com into your browser. Great. Once they get to Card Idol, the first thing these scammers do is the browse cards. Once you click browse card, fill in the details with your full name. It must not be your real details. Enter the email. Enter your Telegram username as well. I'll be very fast with this because I don't want to take much of your time. Once again here, there are a variety of cards they can choose from. Before getting a card, you need to have some crypto in your Card Idol account. So the first thing we do is come straight to the wallet, select the crypto which you want to deposit. So I will select LTC and I'll be depositing $100. I'll click on show wallet. This is the wallet address. Let me go ahead and do some LTC in my wallet. Let me scan the address. All right, great. I just sent $100 LTC in my wallet. The deposit is always instant, very fast. So let's refresh it and check the balance. All right, I currently have $100. So let me choose the best card on this platform. Since I have already carded with them before, I always go for the American Express. It costs $100. So once you click on it, as you can see, the card has a balance of 2,500. It comes with all the details, the holder's name, the address, and everything. Okay, so let's click on purchase now. All right, great. As you can see, the card was purchased. Yeah, it was purchased successfully. Here are the card details, but I won't expose them due to YouTube policies and all the rest. And for the next website, you visit cryptooutsiders.com. Yeah, cryptooutsiders.com. Once you're on this website, it lets you buy crypto with those cards without any OTP or KYC verification. So I will not be guiding you on this step because this video is for educational purpose only. So peace out, Dark Angel out.